Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me something pretty special. And you may be wondering, it's slightly bigger than a normal car or truck for that matter. The wheels are white and plasticky, and it's like kind of rubbery, and it's looks completely different, and it's quite a lot bigger than a normal car. So what is it? And if you guessed correctly, it is called Power Tomica. And it's pretty cool because, it moves. And it's not like 4D where you move it and make sound, it actually moves. Now currently I've unscrewed the base because there is no battery inside. And on the bottom it says number 9, or actually number 8, Nissan Atlas 9093 Tommy. And if you can see right here, there is a switch. So here you can see there's an on-off switch right here because there is gears right here and a battery inside, which I have taken out. So anyway, yeah, this gear here turns the wheel, which moves the car. And right now, since I've unscrewed it, let's take off the base and have a look. Over here we have just pretty much normal base with the motor screwed in right here with some small screws. We got our rubber wheels with the plastic inserts right here, and then a space for the battery in the middle. This battery is a pretty special battery. I think it's called a D4, and yeah, it's half the size of an AA battery, so it's really small. As you can kind of see, it has to fit right in there, and yeah, I cannot find a battery that can fit. Here is the motor itself, and yeah, it looks pretty cool, and the gear back there. So when you turn it on, it pushes. Okay, wait. When you turn, wait, let me see how I can do this. So the gear is right in there. I don't know if you can see it, but if you turn it on, it moves the gear. Let me try. Can't really seem to show it on camera. Anyway, the base is freely moving, so like when it's in the off position, the base can just roll around, while in the on position, it can't really roll. So yeah, it's pretty cool because, you got a detachable base for a Tomica car, and yeah, it's pretty decent, I would have to say. And yeah, it's kind of cool. Right here moves pretty freely, and this is also pretty much full die-cast for the main body, while the back right here is just plastic for the back of the truck, which has kind of faded over the years. And yep, the inside is all metal, and all of them are riveted. All the parts are riveted on. So yeah, it's pretty cool, and this is the first look at the quite interesting series of Power Tomica. And yeah, it's a Nissan Atlas, so I don't think they brought this car to the main line of Tomica. And yeah, pretty cool to compare with a long Tomica of quite recently. It's about the same height and quite a bit longer than half the length. So you could fit in a normal car, say this GTR, and there would be some extra space. So say it's a bit larger than half of a long Tomica. And even for a small car like this Porsche right here, you can really see how big this truck actually is. I think you could stack another car on top of that. And yeah, look, you'll still be at the same height. So, I mean, yeah, it's pretty big for its size, and probably quite a small scale for this kind of truck. But yeah, it's still pretty cool, and hope to get it working. So I'll try to find a battery that fits, and I will try to get it working. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.